felt like your brain is a browser with too many tabs open? Let's close some tabs and turbocharge your productivity. Imagine you are juggling, but instead of balls, you're juggling tasks, ideas, and deadlines. Now think of your mind as a stage where this juggling act happens. Just like a real stage can only hold so many performers before things get crowded and accidents happen, your mind has its limits too. This is where cognitive load theory comes into play. But let's talk about it in terms of productivity. Meet Ramya. Ramya is like any of us, trying to keep all of life's tasks in the air. But there is a trick to keep the show running smoothly. When too much gets added to our stage, it becomes harder to keep everything in motion. This is our mind on cognitive overload. Too many tasks and not enough space to juggle them effectively. Cognitive load theory teaches us to manage our mental stage. It's about organizing and prioritizing our tasks to avoid overload. First, prioritize your tasks. Not all balls are equal. Some are more important and need to be kept in the air, while others can be set aside for later. Next is simplify. Break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Each part is its own act, making the overall performance smoother. And finally, limit distractions. Keep the stage clear so you can focus on the performance. This means turning off unnecessary notifications and creating a workspace that minimizes interruptions. By understanding and applying cognitive load theory, we can all become masterful jugglers of our tasks, keeping our productivity high and our minds clear. It's not about doing more, it's about what matters. Efficiently and effectively, we have to do that. For more tips on mastering productivity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.